Python's path.rename silently overwrites existing files, a dangerous trap that can wipe data in one line. Imports the path class from pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulations across platforms. Imports the OS module to access operating system dependent functionality, such as file system operations. Instantiates a path object pointing to the directory named test_files in the current working directory. Invokes mdir on the test_dir path object with exist_ok set to true to ensure the directory exists, creating it only if absent. Uses the division operator on path to construct a new path instance for a file named source.txt inside the previously defined test_dir directory. Uses the division operator on path to construct a new path instance for a file named dest.txt inside the test_dir directory. Calls write_text on src with the string literal original content, which creates or overwrites the source.txt file in test_files with that exact text. Calls write_text on dst with the string literal existing content, which creates or overwrites dest.txt in test_files with that text before renaming operations. Prints a descriptive string followed by the Boolean truth values of src.exists and dst.exists to confirm both files exist prior to renaming. Starts a try-except structure to catch potential file exists error exceptions that might occur during the subsequent rename operation. Invokes rename on src with dst as the destination target, attempting to move or rename test_files/source.txt to overwrite test_files/destination.txt. Catches file exists error specifically raised during the prior rename attempt, indicating dst already existed and was not overwritten. Prints a string stating that rename raised an error, qualified as unexpected because the behavior differs between operating systems. Executes only if no exception occurred in the try block, indicating src.rename dst succeeded in moving source.txt to destination.txt. Prints a descriptive string noting that rename succeeded and the destination file was overwritten, referencing the successful case on Unix-like systems. Calls os.replace with src and dst as arguments to perform a platform-reliable atomic file replacement, overriding destination.txt unconditionally regardless of prior rename outcome. Use os.replace when you need atomic moves and reliable error handling. Subscribe for daily coding videos.